Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's the plague. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy world of cleaning. That's right, folks, it's a showdown between the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. One's a nimble little dancer, and the other is a heavyweight champion of grime busting. So grab your rubber gloves, and let's get this party started. Let's kick things off with price. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is available for a budget-friendly $49, making it accessible for those looking for a quick cleaning solution. Reviewers appreciate this price point, especially those who find traditional mopping painful due to back pain. In contrast, the TVD Steam Cleaner comes in at a significantly higher price of $179. However, many users highlight the quality and versatility of the TVD, suggesting that it could be worth the investment for serious cleaning tasks. So while the BLACK+DECKER is a steal, the TVD promises more features for a higher cost. Next, let's discuss heat-up time. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop heats up in just 30 seconds, which is perfect for those who want to get cleaning quickly. Reviewers love this feature, noting that it allows them to start cleaning almost immediately. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner takes a leisurely 8 minutes to heat up. While this might seem like a long wait, many users appreciate the strong steam output it provides once ready, making it effective for tougher tasks. So if you value speed, BLACK+DECKER wins. But for performance, TVD may have the edge. Now, let's take a look at tank capacity. The BLACK+DECKER holds enough water for an average-sized living room, which is adequate according to many users. However, some reviewers wish for a larger tank, as it requires more frequent refills. In contrast, the TVD Steam Cleaner boasts a substantial 52 ounces tank, allowing for up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning without interruption. Users rave about this feature, especially those who plan on tackling larger areas or multiple cleaning tasks in one go. So for those marathon cleaning sessions, TVD clearly takes the lead. When it comes to versatility, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is excellent for sealed surfaces like hardwood, tile, and granite. Reviewers appreciate its reliability, but note that it has limited applications. On the flip side, the TVD Steam Cleaner is a multitasking powerhouse, capable of cleaning everything from floors to wallpaper. Users are impressed by its ability to tackle a variety of surfaces and even difficult tasks like wallpaper removal. If you want a one-trick pony, go with BLACK+DECKER. If you need a Swiss Army knife for cleaning, TVD is your best choice. Lastly, let's consider accessories. The BLACK+DECKER comes with one microfiber pad, which some find sufficient but others deem lacking. Reviewers suggest that an extra pad would enhance its usability. In stark contrast, the TVD Steam Cleaner includes a whopping 28 accessories, making it a cleaning enthusiast's dream. Reviewers love the variety and practicality of these attachments, which cater to different cleaning needs. So if you want options and flexibility, TVD definitely scores higher here. In summary, both steam cleaners have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and quick heat-up time, making it ideal for everyday, quick cleaning. However, it has some limitations in tank capacity and versatility. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner is celebrated for its powerful performance, extensive accessories, and larger tank, making it suitable for more intensive cleaning tasks. While it comes with a higher price tag and longer heat-up time, many users feel it is a worthwhile investment for serious cleaners. So who's the winner of this steam-off? If you want something quick, easy, and budget-friendly, the BLACK+DECKER is your go-to mop. But if you're ready to invest in a powerhouse that can tackle every cleaning task and then some, then the TVD is your best bet. Just be prepared for a little wait time. Remember, whether you choose the mop or the cleaner, the most important thing is to clean up after yourself. Or at least pretend you did when guests come over. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.